Hi my lovely people, kings and queens, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious cream chicken my way, so stay tuned. So to begin with, I have my chicken breast clean and ready to be marinated, and then my dry ingredients, a tablespoon of each. That includes salt, paprika powder, curry powder, Italian spice seasoning, and some royco, then basilica oil because I didn't have olive oil. Then I have my chopped garlic, then one red onion, then some mushrooms, then my heavy cream, 500 ml of my heavy cream, then some unsalted butter, and then lastly I have some cheese, like you can see. Yes, so I went ahead and added some basilica oil into my dry ingredients, and then I started marinating. Like you see there, at first I did not want to use my fingers to marinate, but then I later realized I really needed to use my fingers to incorporate all these ingredients in my chicken. So I put on my gloves, and then I continued marinating. Yes, like that. I went ahead and marinated everything until everything was fully into my chicken before I put it on the pan. Yeah, so after marinating my chicken, I let it sit for a few minutes. And in the meantime, I got my pan, put it on medium heat, and put my basilica oil because that's what I was using instead of olive oil. And I started putting my chicken on because I wanted it to cook for like 5 minutes on each side so that, yeah, I can get that really nice golden brown color. Yes, so after 5 minutes, I came back and I turned my chicken. Yes, you see that golden brown color? Yeah, that's what I was looking for. And yeah, later on, I went ahead and shredded it a little bit more so that it can get ready also on the inside before I could put it off the pan. At this point, my chicken was fully ready, and I went ahead and removed it from the pan piece by piece. And then I did not get rid of my oil because I did not want to lose my ingredients. So I used the same pan with the same oil to continue my cooking. After removing all my chicken from the pan, I went ahead and got my butter and put it on the same pan, made sure it is well saturated and melted. Then I started incorporating my wet ingredients. I started with my garlic, then put the garlic on, fried it for a bit, and guys, the aroma was so rich. I went ahead and added my red onion that I had already pre-cut. And I continued mixing. You see, like my pan is like as if it's burning down there, but I did not want to lose that. Then the moment I added my mushrooms, my pan was clear. I added a little bit because in my cream chicken, I usually use little to almost no tomatoes at all. If I have dried tomatoes, that's what I use, but this time I only had puree. So I went ahead and added my heavy cream and continued mixing, and then I later added my cheese. Guys, after putting your cheese, make sure you are cooking on relatively low heat to prevent your cream from burning and also to get the consistency that you want. Yes, I went ahead and added some spring onions. That's really optional, but I am cooking it my way, so I wanted mine to have some spring onions, and I also went ahead and added like some green and red pointed paprika. Then I gave it like a boil for like 3 minutes and then poured it in the pan where my chicken was sitting. And then I had to cover it and simmer it for like 10 minutes, and everything was ready to serve. So I went ahead and covered it, and in the meantime, I used that time to make my posho. I had to mingle some posho because that's what I wanted to have it with. And yeah, after that, our chicken was ready. Everything was ready to serve, and yeah, it was very creamy, looking very delicious. Comment in the comment section and tell me if you want to try out this recipe and what you would have it with. But also thank you for watching. until now. But please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please don't forget to share to someone who might want to try out my recipe. That was my end result. I served mine with posho, some greens, and avocado, while our Kenyan family calls it ugali, sukuma wiki, na kuku. Catch you in my next one. Bye.